Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to turn on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. In order to do that, you have to go here on the Start button, right click here, click Settings. After that, go to the Accessibility section and then scroll to the Keyboard section. From here, you'll be able to toggle it on. Click here. Now you can see it. However, you can also use the Windows logo key, Ctrl and O to turn on the on-screen keyboard. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.